Store-bought salami is often loaded with preservatives and fillers like chicken skin. This homemade version has more protein, no preservatives, no oil, and is so easy to make. Start with 300 grams of chicken breast, season with red chili powder, salt, and fresh crushed black pepper. Then add chopped garlic, 2 cloves will do, and 20 grams of fresh cream. Cream helps keep the salami moist even when it is served cold. Mix well. Transfer this to a blender and add 30 ml of ice cold water. This keeps the mix cool and blends smoothly. Blend it all until you get a smooth batter. Transfer the batter into a fresh bowl. Brush oil on all sides of a cup. This will help the salami come out easily once it is cooked. Fill the cup to the top with the batter and make sure you tap it gently to remove any air bubbles. For steaming, choose a pot that's taller than your cup. Place a kitchen towel in it with water up to 1/4 of its depth. Add a rack or frame so the cup rests above the water. Cover the cup with a baking paper. Then put on the lid and steam for 20 minutes on low flame. After steaming, remove the paper, but don't take it out yet. Let it cool for 10-15 minutes so it comes to room temperature. Once cooled, remove the salami from the cup and refrigerate it for 2 hours before slicing it. Now slice your homemade salamis. Imagine this little cylinder has 75 grams of protein. Make sandwiches with it or eat as is. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more such healthy recipes.